Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change font size in your Tecno Camon 20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Camon 20 and you are wondering how to change font size. Your font size may be too small or too large and you want to change the font size. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno Camon 20 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here display and brightness. After click over display and brightness, you need to scroll down and then you will find just something say font size. From here you can easily choose whatever font size you want. You can if you want to make your font size is small, you can choose here. Also you can see the preview. If you want to make your font size normal, you can choose this, or if you want to make your font size large, you can choose this. So in this simple way you can easily change font size in your Tecno Camon 20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.